Hi there, this is Kishore Mohan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's category will be on health and I'll be talking about the three best exercises for back pain relief. Back pain, well, an irritating pain for most of us. I personally used to ride bike for long hours for office, sit however I want in the sofa and watch TV, and of course, I understand how you feel. So I tried these three exercises and it worked out beautifully for me. So my back pain is almost nil now. So let's see what are these three best exercises for back pain relief. So let's get into the video. The first exercise on the list is Pavana Muktasana or knees to chest pose. Lay down on your back on a flat surface. Bend your knees and bring it towards your chest and hold your legs firmly with your hands. Also, bring your head slightly forward. Hold the pose for 30 seconds. Come back to initial pose and relax for 10 seconds. The second exercise, bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Lay on your back with your knees bent. Gently raise your back or spine and hold the pose for 30 seconds. Come back to initial pose and relax for 10 seconds. Now, for the final exercise, Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. Lie down on your abdomen and point your feet behind you. Bring your hands next to your chest and gently lift your chest up away from the floor. Hold this pose for 30 seconds. Slowly come down. Relax for 30 seconds. So guys, hope you watched the whole video. The best part is you just have to do these for 30 seconds each twice a day, once right after you wake up and once in the evening before you have your final meal for the day. For more videos on yogic exercises, visit and subscribe to Suja's Fitness Recipe channel. Sujata is my mom and she's also a registered yoga trainer. For online consultations, you can contact her through the below mentioned mail. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Bye and take care guys.